Drones are changing modern warfare. They are also changing the security landscape. Small, unmanned, and difficult to detect, drones present a significant challenge for traditional defense systems. Their ability to carry surveillance equipment or even payloads makes them a potent threat in the wrong hands. This new era of drone warfare requires a new generation of defense solutions. Countries around the world are searching for effective countermeasures. Traditional air defense systems are often ill-equipped to handle these small and agile aircraft. The need for a dedicated and effective anti-drone system is more pressing than ever. Pakistan, facing its own set of security challenges, has taken a lead in drone defense technology. The Global Industrial Defense Solutions, GIDS, has developed the Spider anti-drone detection system. This cutting-edge system represents a significant leap forward in countering unmanned aerial threats. Designed with a focus on comprehensive protection, Spider offers a multi-layered approach to drone defense. The Spider system marks a turning point in Pakistan's defense capabilities. It highlights the nation's commitment to developing indigenous technological solutions. This system is more than just a defense tool. It's a symbol of Pakistan's innovative spirit in the face of evolving security threats. One of Spider's most impressive features is its unmatched detection range. Traditional radar systems often struggle to pick up small drones. Spider, however, can detect these threats at impressive distances, giving security forces ample time to respond. This early warning capability is crucial in neutralizing threats before they can reach their targets. This extended detection range sets Spider apart from other anti-drone systems. It allows for the creation of a protective bubble around critical infrastructure, military bases, and public events. The ability to detect drones at long ranges is paramount in today's security environment. Section 4. Advanced Sensor Technology, the Eyes of the Spider. At the heart of the Spider system lies its advanced sensor technology. The system utilizes a combination of radar, electro-optical, and radio frequency sensors. This multi-sensor approach ensures accurate and reliable drone detection in various environments and weather conditions. Each sensor plays a crucial role in identifying and classifying potential drone threats. The radar provides long-range detection and tracking capabilities. Electro-optical sensors deliver visual confirmation and identification of the target. Radio frequency sensors detect and jam the drone's communication signals. This integrated approach ensures that no drone goes unnoticed. Section 5. Multi-layered defense impenetrable protection. The Spider system goes beyond just detecting drones. It employs a multi-layered defense strategy to neutralize threats effectively. Once a drone is detected and classified, the system can deploy a range of countermeasures. These include jamming the drone's control signals, taking control of the drone, or deploying physical interceptors. This layered approach ensures that even if one defense mechanism is bypassed, others are in place to neutralize the threat. The system's ability to not only detect but also take control of or neutralize hostile drones makes it a game-changer in drone defense. Section 6. A new era of defense for Pakistan. The Spider anti-drone system is a testament to Pakistan's growing technological prowess. It showcases the country's commitment to developing indigenous solutions to modern security challenges. The system has the potential to significantly bolster Pakistan's defense capabilities, providing comprehensive protection against the growing threat of unmanned aerial vehicles. The development and deployment of the Spider system mark a new era of defense for Pakistan. It highlights the country's dedication to staying ahead of the curve in a constantly evolving security landscape. As drone technology continues to advance, systems like Spider will be crucial in ensuring national security.